How to remove hydraulic fluid from clothing. Today I will show you how to remove hydraulic fluid from clothing. When you work on farms or with machinery of any kind, you should be careful about not staining your clothes. Sometimes, the hydraulic fluid from these machines may cause a brown stain on your clothes, sending you into panic mode. These hydraulic fluids can immediately cause an obvious stain on your clothes, and it is very important to act on them as quickly as possible. If you are worried about hydraulic stains spoiling your favorite clothes, you have come to the right place. Here, we give you all the easy steps and methods you can try at home to get rid of these stains forever, and make your clothes look as fresh as new. Some stubborn stains may require repeating the steps many times, but we can assure you that you can successfully get rid of the hydraulic stains eventually. Supplies you need to get rid of hydraulic fluid from clothing. Whichever method you choose from the options we have listed here, it is a good idea to gather all the supplies and keep them ready, so that you don't have to go looking for them when you actually start the process. Damp cloth, baking soda, enzymatic liquid detergent, commercial cleaner to pre-treat the stains, oxygen bleach, rubbing alcohol, white vinegar, mild dish soap, ammonia. Removing hydraulic fluid from clothes. Essential steps. Before getting to the actual process of getting rid of hydraulic fluid from clothes, here are the essential steps you should do as soon as you spot the stains. Act as quickly as possible. Use a paper towel or clean microfiber cloth to blot the hydraulic fluid to the maximum possible extent. You can try simple solvents for getting rid of fresh hydraulic fluid from clothes. You can mix a generous quantity of baking soda, white vinegar, or rubbing alcohol with warm water. Soak the stains in this solution for about 30 minutes. Rinse with warm water, and you will notice that the stains would have gone. If you still find some slight hydraulic fluid marks on the clothes, you can repeat this process as many times. These cleaners come with specific instructions regarding their usage and dilution instructions. Follow them thoroughly to keep your clothes safe and clean. How to get rid of hydraulic fluid from thick fabric like jeans. Use a paper towel or clean cloth to blot the stains from the jeans as much as you can. Sprinkle a generous quantity of baking soda over the jeans and allow them to sit there for an hour. After an hour, you will notice that the baking soda would have dried on the damp hydraulic fluid stains. Use a soft bristled toothbrush to gently scrub away the baking soda powder. Mix a solution of mild dish soap and water to pour it over the stains. Use a toothbrush to rub over the stains. Rinse the jeans well in a detergent mixed with a few drops of white vinegar. Wash as per the fabric's normal washing cycle, and you will see that the hydraulic stains have completely disappeared. Which method works better for different fabrics of clothing? Though there are many methods to wash away hydraulic fluid from clothes, not all methods are suitable for all types of fabrics. It would be a good idea if you follow the apt method for different fabrics as explained below. Cotton clothes. Let the hydraulic stains soak in a solution made from equal parts of white vinegar and warm water for about 15 minutes. Wash as usual to get rid of the hydraulic fluid stains. Silk clothes. Soak the stains in a solution made from mild dish soap and warm water for about 10 minutes. Wash as per usual routine. Synthetic, polyester, nylon, spandex and other similar types of clothes. Apply some rubbing alcohol over the hydraulic fluid stains on the clothes. Let it soak over the stains for about 10 minutes. Wash as per the usual routine to get rid of the stains. Woolen clothes. Make a solution with mild dish soap and lukewarm water. Even warm water is not recommended. Spray this over the hydraulic fluid stains and let it sit there for about 10 minutes. Wash as per the normal cycle. Leather clothes. Use only those stain-removing cleaners that are manufactured for the leather fabric. Spray this cleaner over the stains, and let it sit there for about 10 minutes. Clean gently to get rid of the stains. How to get rid of the odor caused by hydraulic oil stains on clothes. Sometimes, you may succeed in getting rid of the hydraulic oil stains from clothes. However, you may still be left with a lingering bad odor that none of these methods could get rid of. In this case, you can follow this method. Prepare a solution by mixing bleach and water in a ratio of 1:9. Soak the foul-smelling clothes, due to hydraulic oil, in this solution for about 30 to 60 minutes. Rinse the clothes well in hot water, so that the germs causing the foul smell are completely destroyed. Some DIY cleaning solutions that help in getting rid of hydraulic oil stains. Instead of using store-bought commercial cleaners to get rid of stains, it is always better to resort to DIY cleaning solutions made from natural, home-based ingredients. You can then use these to sit on the stains for about 10 to 20 minutes, before you rinse the fabric well to get rid of hydraulic oil stains. Ammonia and water. When dealing with ammonia, always be careful and wear protective gloves. Ammonia can give off fumes, which is why you should deal with care when using this chemical. Mix equal parts of ammonia and water to make a cleaning solution. Let it sit on the stains for 10 minutes, before you rinse well and clean as usual. White vinegar and salt. While white vinegar, in itself, is an excellent product to get rid of stains, it works effectively when mixed with salt. Make a paste by mixing equal parts of white vinegar and salt. Let this paste sit on the stains for about 15 minutes, before you rinse and clean the garment as usual.